Bitch in the house.
Don't need the wires.
Yeah.
We eventually got her to take the nipple.
Still want to be a farmer?
Yep.
Is this our life now?
Previously on From Hollywood to the Homestead.
We're on our way to get our baby goods.
There's our baby.
Oh my god.
Luke and Leia. Oh no, first accident.
Little goat butt.
My sweet baby.
That's the best milk I've ever had, guys.
Oh, she's reading at my house. She's your sister.
Luke is milk drunk. So we ended up bottle feeding them last night. Luke is a very hungry boy. Leia took quite a bit of convincing, but we eventually got her to take the nipple. And once she did, she was like wide-eyed, like, oh, this is good shit, and downed it immediately. And I just came out here this morning. It's the second time feeding them since we got them. And not to brag, but Lana's still sleeping. But I fed them both same time, no problem. Good job, babies. I'm so proud of you. You're a couple of model goats, you know that? You're good-looking babies. I love you both. Yeah, you're looking at yourself? Okay, wow.
Y'all, see these bags under my eyes? Oh man. Baby goats is actually like being first-time parents. I am tired. Yesterday was a wonderful day bringing our babies home, but it was a full day. Driving 4+ hours round trip, getting them, the excitement of all that, getting them home, trying to train them with the electric fence, realizing that didn't work, having to build a new fence. Oh my God. Wrangling them because y'all, little baby goats are very strong. Bodies are hurting. Baby. Still want to be a farmer?
Yep. Yep.
You talking? Oh, yeah? Wow. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. Kind of sound like a monkey. Are you a monkey? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. There. 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 You little alien. Blah, 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 blah. Bless you. Yeah, that's nice. Getting eaten alive over here. Leia, what are you doing? Yeah, I chose these pants for a reason. What do you want the people of YouTube to know? Bless you. Hey, What? Yeah, what are you doing? And your hoof is stabbing me. I know you're just baby, but you're not supposed to stand in your food.
But it's better that way. It tastes so good.
I guess don't knock it till you tried it.
This is a very good thing. We've got them eating a little bit of alfalfa hay and Timothy hay. That's really tasty stuff mixed with some pellets. First time feeding them solids here on the farm. They've had some solids in the past, and this is the same pellet that they were being fed in their previous farm, but the hay is a little bit new, so just kind of monitor and see how they digest, and hopefully they don't get any tummy aches. But hay is really good for babies, and we want to wean them off the bottle, so this is a really good sign that they are eating solids. We'll be able to kind of monitor how much per day they eat, and hopefully eventually within a few weeks we'll be able to have them off the bottle.
Even though we're just getting the hang of it. Stay babies forever. So Teddy.
I would like, and the chickens. The gang's all here.
Gang's all here. It's
That's the farm life right there.
the gathering of Pride Rock.
How quickly we have literally created this
I know, baby.
magical farm. Got our
Crazy,
goats,
crazy.
got our chickens, got our teddy.
Wow. I love our babies.
They love it. This will give them something to kind of do.
Yeah, that's nice.
What would you like?
Yeah, baby. Okay.
Do we get to-
Okay. It's coming. I got a bottle too. Oh, Luke. Oh, Luke. Oh, geez, Luke.
Leia.
Oh, wow.
Leia, you're so hungry.
Yeah,
Teddy,
yeah.
stay over here.
Whoops. What happened?
Wow.
There you go, buddy.
Wow, she was so hungry. So hungry.
Oh. Good boys and girls.
Some ASMR, man.
I know. God, their happy little tails are everything.
They're so happy.
Gotta savor it, Luke. It's halfway gone already, buddy. He drinks way faster than Leia does, my goodness.
She's a lady.
She's a delicate little flower.
No, she's a tough cookie.
Yeah, totally. And Teddy eats
Teddy,
grass.
are you being a goat?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That make you happy?
Would you prefer if I was just a goat?
I'm in here.
Look, I can do it.
I'm in jail. Luke.
You're so happy about it.
Yum, 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 yum. She looks milk drunk already midway through the bottle.
Remember last night when you all day
You can do it.
and you refused to eat?
Oh, buddy, it's almost done. You can do it. Yeah, that's my boy. Good finish. Good, strong finish.
Happy Jedi.
Yeah, the force is strong with you, buddy.
He's a lot messier with it.
He sure is.
She's a little bit more delicate.
Don't wipe it on my pants. Little boy.
Wow.
Wow, you need a napkin, girl.
Sort of. We got a refill.
Good girl.
Goats in the house.
It's a farmhouse now.
Babies. Luke. Leia. Give here, babies. Wow. Crazy goats. Oh my God, they love that.
You can do
And time to come. Luke, Leia, come here, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh no, excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm getting mama's wine here, okay?
Excuse me. This is unacceptable. We don't walk on tables.
Apparently we do.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Do we?
Excuse me.
Go on.
No, she's gonna eat your
Oh no.
earbud.
Good save.
And shoes.
And my shoes.
Luke. Parkour.
Catch me if you can.
Luke. Leia, do not eat the candle.
Yeah. Gabos.
Luke.
Keep being good boy.
Gabos, eat your ice cream.
Oh,
Good.
God.
Oh my God.
I guess we did this to ourselves.
I don't hate it.
Just dancing around.
I mean, it's not even real wood. It's just a farmhouse.
Yes, it sure is.
Do not eat the linens, please. House manners, please. House manners, please. She missed. Sweet girl, you silly. You silly.
Oh.
Hello, Luke. Hello, Luke. Hello, Leia. Is this our life now? What are we gonna do when you're huge, huh?
Yeah, let's see about that.
You like it inside? Yes. Yes. Oh.
Oh
my God.
God.
Oh my God.
On your pool table.
No. 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 Everything's edible.
Teddy, do
It's Teddy and baby goat. Little Yuki.
Hi, buddy.
Little Yuki. Yeah, we friends.
Hey, that's Teddy's.
Don't need the wires. I do not want.
Solid
I
wind
am
up.
Luke.
Yeah, I'm the wind up.
The force is so strong.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's got a lift now. Hell yeah.
Excuse me, excuse me.
On that fireplace though?
Nothing is safe with these guys.
Babies.
Hey, don't eat the basket. Hey, these gonna eat everything. Hey,
Don't eat
come
this.
here,
Don't eat
come
yours.
here, you crazies. Yeah. Come here.
Park one to turn out. Wee.